Alright, hi friends. We'll see how this goes. But it was really boring just to watch a video of a bike ride. I know, I just did it for 54 minutes watching all these clips. Anyway, so I live in this lovely residential neighborhood that we're flying through right here. It's just outside of Christiania and also just outside of the city center. So we're going to go on like a 3 kilometer, almost 2 mile bike ride to get a tattoo. Sounds fun, huh? So we're just going to cruise through the neighborhoods for a little bit, and I'll tell you some things to help kill time. Right up here to the left is one of the entrances to Christiania, right there. And we'll cruise around. This is part of one of the canals that we're about to go over now. And I'll be honest, I don't know all the bike laws. I've looked up some of them, but mostly I'm just playing monkey see, monkey do. And it appears that bikes usually have the right of way, like right here. This is a red light for cars, and there's some road construction. But they make a little ramp up and a little ramp down, see, on the sidewalk. And bikes can just go around the stoplights and around the traffic in most places. It's pretty handy. And I know that it looks very quiet here, but this is not the norm. Roughly 500,000 people a day commute in Copenhagen on bikes. So once you actually get into the city center, it's pretty crazy. And I'll be entirely honest, stoplights are a whole different story, and I'm not entirely certain how to turn left properly. I'm working on it. I'll learn. Well, right after we cross this bridge, if you take a left, is Netto, which is my local grocery store that I go to almost every day as we go around some more road work. Having a good time. Road tires are really skinny in the middle of this sidewalk. It was a really big pain in the ass. And from here on out, I have never walked, rode, or been on these streets. So who knows if I'll survive? What a mystery. What we should be coming up on shortly, here we go, is a bike and pedestrian only bridge, which is pretty cool. There's no car connection to the other side of this canal until you go further up the street. But there are, well, you can't see through these walls very well, but there were some restaurants and some pretty cool stuff over there. This guy is so unbearably slow, I thought I was going to fall over. But I like to stay behind someone to mimic them when I can. I just didn't have the patience to stay behind him. But now that we've crossed over the canal, we're in Nyhavn, and this is one of the canals in Copenhagen. This is a really touristy area. There are all kinds of canals, cruise ships that go up and down. We're going to skip over this light so you don't have to watch. But this is all around the 17th century that this was in use. All of these are residential buildings with restaurants and bars, and the tattoo shop that I'm going to in the bottom of them. So we're just going to cruise around this canal. This guy looks like he knows what he's doing, so we'll follow him at the stoplight, because that's what you do when you don't know. And I need to be on this side of the canal. Alright, from here we'll just jump to real time, mostly because there's music that I like in the background, but if you speed it up 300%, it sounds kind of ridiculous. So you'd think it'd be easy to park a bike, they're very small, but in a city where everyone's transportation is a bike, it's hard to find a spot for them too. This is also not mine. It's a Bianchi bike, which are kind of expensive. So he asked me to chain it to things, not just lock the wheels like you see most of these, where they're chained to nothing. The wheels are actually locked to the frame, which makes people not want to steal them. But I'm also learning that I don't have a kickstand, because I forget that constantly, so I can't leave it there. But we're going to park this bike and go get a tattoo. I hope you enjoyed it. If not, I don't know. Sorry. Did my best.